This poem is by Eleanor McLeod. It is called Letter Sent on Earth Day. Dear all, this is a letter from me, your Earth. For millions of years since my turbulent birth, I've been a good friend to all kinds of things. Creatures with legs, birds with wings, plants and jungles, flowers and trees, deserts and lakes, mountains and streams. At top and bottom, I glisten with cold. My sunny middle is green and gold. In amazing beauty, I've always been dressed, and I've tried to offer you all my best. I've given you food and kept you warm, just let off steam with occasional storm. But then I started to cough in the air, clogging my lungs with filth that was there. My temperature rose, I started to sweat. You began to strip me. I cried, but yet you carried on abusing, hurting me, with no thought for what my future might be. So now I ask you to open loving arms, turning your back on what scars and harms. Give me a hug that shows that you care, and think about how you can keep me here, for my recovery depends on you, and what tending to all that I offer can do. This is my message, value its worth. Yours very sincerely and hopefully, Earth.